Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Daffa Adinata Rizky Setiawan. In this video, I'm gonna talk about what's inside the computer. Let's get started. There's a main menu of this site. That's first definition of computer, then types of computers, computer components, and last is base number system of computer. Types of computer. There are many types of computers. For example, we have PC or personal computer, server computer, desktop, and laptop computer. Hybrid computer, supercomputer, and mainframe computer. Computer components. Computer hardware components. Now let's talk about the hardware inside the computer. Hardware means the parts we can see and touch. Some of the main ones are the motherboard, which connects all the parts, the CPU or processor, which is like the brain of the computer, the hard drive, and SSD for storing data. RAM or random access memory, which is temporary memory. CD or DVD drive, or even floppy disk, though that one is rarely used today. We also have parts like the VGA card for graphics, sound card, keyboard, mouse, monitor, and printer. All of these help us interact with the computer. Computer software components. Besides hardware, software is just as important. First, operating system software. The operating system helps us control the computer. We also use application software like Microsoft Word, Excel, Photoshop, and many others of specific tasks. And then there's brainware, which means the people who used to manage the computer, like users, administrators, programmers, and system analysts. Page number system of computer. Computers use different number system to work. The main one is binary or base 2, which use only 0 and 1. They also use decimal, octal, and hexadecimal system to handle different kinds of data. And here are some tables of all these base number system. You can see right there. And that's all for my presentation about what's inside the computer. If I made a mistake of this slide, please forgive me. Thanks so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello again, still me, Daffa Adinata Rizky Setiawan, and now I'm gonna talk about hardware. Let's begin. There's a main menu of this slide. That's first is definition of hardware, then function of hardware, example of hardware and their function, main hardware components, hardware in the modern era, trends and innovation, and how to choose the right hardware. So, what is hardware? Hardware is all the physical parts of a computer that we can touch and see, unlike software, which is digital. Hardware includes things like monitor, keyboard, mouse, and hard drive. Function of hardware. Number 2. Every hardware part has a job to do. Number one, data processing. Some process data, some store data. Storage, for example, comes in two types. That's first, temporary storage, like RAM or random access memory, and permanent storage, like SSD or hard drives. Number three, use interaction with the system. Some let us interact with the system, and others show the result like the screen or picture. That's providing output. Example of hardware and their function. Let me give you some example. A hard drive stores your file, but is slower than an SSD, which is faster, quieter, and uses less energy. Keyboards also come in different types. That's Keyboard also come in a different types, like mechanical, which is durable and nice to type on. Second is membrane, which is thinner and lighter, and and ergonomic keyboards, which is made for comfort during long use. Other devices include a camera, like a webcam, which is great for video calls and streaming, and a microphone, which turns sound into digital signal. Main hardware components. Now let's look at the main parts inside the computer. Just like my previous slide, the motherboard connects everything together. The CPU or processor is the brain of the computer. It handles instruction and multitasking. Other parts include the GPU for graphics and the PSU to supply to the system. Hardware trends. As technology moves forward, hardware is also getting better. Some new trends include hardware powered by AI or artificial intelligence, or AI-based hardware, Second is larger storage capacity. Devices that are smaller and more portable or device miniaturization, and even eco-friendly hardware that saves energy or environmentally friendly hardware. How to choose the right hardware? Choosing the right hardware depends on what you need. That's first, know your purpose. Then, check if it's compatible with your system. Think about your budget and always read product reviews before buying. Alright, that's all from me for the topic about hardware. I hope this was helpful. If I made a mistake, please forgive me. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.